Hi, we're Richard and Jackie from Early Retirement Wanderlust.
We absolutely love the mountains, the lakes and the sea.
And what better place to experience all of those than North Wales? We are so pleased to be working with Visit Wales as part of their Feel the Wheel campaign, and there's no better place to get started than being at Llangwynant campsite, which is in the heart of the Eryri National Park.
We're absolutely surrounded by mountains and it's an ideal location for hiking and biking, but we've also got a lake on our doorstep. So we are going to get going and we are going to have a little paddleboard on the lake.
Ooh, I can't wait.
I hope you can realise from the video that we have had the most wonderful first day at the campsite. You cannot ignore the amazing geography that's around here, surrounded by massive peaks, but the fact that you've got the most beautiful lake right on your doorstep. And we had a wonderful afternoon on the lake, paddleboarding and seeing the wildlife around. A truly relaxing afternoon.
And we've had a nice evening as well. We had some pizza because they've got a wood-fired pizza oven, and we tried some of the local beers that are brewed actually just behind the campsite, so that was quite nice. And it's got really clear skies, so we're hoping we'll have a really dark sky night where we can see the stars really clearly, and we have had a nice walk around the lake.
And one of the great things about the campsite is it almost actively encourages you to have campfires. So on an evening like this, when the sun's just gone down behind the peaks, it does get a little bit chilly. So we're going to spend the rest of the evening having a lovely campfire and then just getting ready for tomorrow.
Yep, we've got a nice hike planned up Moel Siobod, and we have got a guide coming up with us, which will be great to get some local knowledge. So catch us tomorrow. That was really cool. Because we were the guide, we have come up some of the scrambles that we perhaps wouldn't have done if we were on our own, and Murph has showed us where to put our hands and things, but it's really good fun.
Reit, ar yr ochr pella yma fyma, mae gennym ni'r ochr yr Wyddfa yn yr Eryri lle, wedyn ar y chwith mae'r lliwedd, yn y canol mae'r Wyddfa ei hun lle, a wedyn da chi'n gweld llwybr y pic-trac yn mynd drwy'r canol, ac y ddwy fynydd arall ydy Garnedd Ugain, ac o'i flaen o mae Crib Goch.
So it is the end of a very long but very wonderful day, and I can't think of a better place to spend it.
Moel Siobod treated us really well. The weather was just awesome. When we got to the top, we've not seen the views before. We have climbed it a couple of times, but you could see all of the mountain ranges right throughout the national park really clearly.
And it was pretty challenging as well. So 7.5 miles, lots of elevation. It was a great day, but we were pretty tired. So we decided to treat ourselves and we went out for tea. So we went out to the closest village, which is Beth Gelert, and it's about a 10-minute drive from the campsite, and we went to the Prince Llewelyn pub and had a wonderful evening.
I really treated myself. I had some gorgeous lamb shank with lots of fresh veg, and you just had the hugest burger I've ever seen.
It pretty much beat me. It was double burger with Welsh rarebit all over it. It was just food of the gods, absolute heaven. But we need all our energy for tomorrow.
Yeah, we've got another really early morning start. We are getting up and meeting our leader to go rock climbing out in the mountains somewhere, something that neither of us have done for a long time, so we're really looking forward to it.
The most wonderful morning, but it's been a long one and I am just about ready for my lunch.
So we're going to set off and go into Besses Coed and get some lunch, have a really good look around the village because it is an absolutely beautiful little village, and then I think maybe go for a bit of a walk along the river and try and find Swallow Falls. We had the most gorgeous lunch at Hanging Pizza. Who knew that Welsh rarebit on a pizza would actually probably be one of the favourite pizzas we've ever had? It was delicious.
It's real fusion food, I suppose, if you can have that, but it was wonderful. And then the river that ran through the village just sparked our interest, and we did a little bit of a river walk up to Swallow Falls.
They were pretty impressive too, and the walk along the river is really beautiful. It's not too hilly, it is probably a 5-kilometre round trip, but it's well worth doing, and the falls at the end are just the icing on the cake, I suppose.
And then we had a few hours of daylight left, so again, it sparked our interest. We thought it was time to just go and have a little dip, so we headed up the first part of the Watkins Path.
You can either park quite close to it further down the valley, or you can actually walk to it from the campsite. The Watkins Path is actually the path that you can take to get up to Snowdon. We only did the first mile, and it's got almost like a waterfall walk on it, and the pools are just beautiful. They're a really crystal clear colour. They are really inviting to get into just for a paddle or a dip, and it was one of those memories and evenings that we will remember for a long time.
So that's it from our time at the Eryri National Park. We've had a wonderful few days, but we are now heading to the coast.
Yes, really excited. We're off to Anglesey next.
So we will catch you next time. See you later. Bye.
Bye.